mag-almusal kami. Ang almusal namin today ay... Anong almusal natin? Dog sinangag. Tapos may tapa kami dito, may itlog. Ano yun sa'yo? Tuyo. Tuyo. Hindi ka na naman. Ano daw lahat doon? Okay, sorry. Oo na natin. Diet daw para ano, flat yung stomach ko daw. Ay na nahihilo ka na pero at least flat yung stomach. True. Hindi ka broken. Lipstick ka na lang namumula na. Hindi naman makikita sa picture na gutom ka eh. Lipstick na lang. Dahil din ang pagkakla.
Guys, ayan po sila. Ang mga boss namin. Hello, Doc!
Hello, Jaya. Nagbago ka na ba?
Yes!
Okay.
Nagbago yan.
In love yan si Jaya, in love.
Bago yan, lagi. Bago yan.
Yung mga boss namin na todo magpuyat, magbago na kayo. Pero hindi kayo makabangon ngayon. Yabang-yabang nyo pa.
Sasabihin nyo pa pagdating babang ka agad.
Oo.
Nasaan na? Saan na yung bangka?
Boss Kevin, ang week mo.
In this night, a starry sky, my baby told me with a sigh, saying words that came across as a doubt. I reassured that every day my love is strong.
Abangan nyo guys yung mga mangyayari kasi papunta kami ulit sa nagsasako. Part 2, tingnan nyo ano mangyayari.
Every mountain, every sea can never stray a bird in me, no matter the state of space and time. Keep us close and keep us dear, not just today, but every year. You were made to keep your focus in my mind. But if you don't want my love, and if you want something more, said if you never wanted my love, let me know. You're not bound by a vow, could be tomorrow or even now. If you wanna know the scope to look inside, I'll be the person of your dreams, or your lover in between every corner in the canyons of your mind. But if you don't want my love, and if you want something more, baby, baby, said if you never wanted my love, let me know, let me know.
Video yan!
Come on, baby, let me know.
Palimot mo 20. Oo, 20. Oo, bibili na yun. Palimot mo 20.
Dapat 100.
Oo, sabi natin 100.
Oh my God! Wow!
Umabot